We have 7 ways to trade the DAX. We've got Cobra DAX, DAX Tick Count Trend, DAX Night Trader, DAX OPV, and then the DAX Cobra Counter Trend, Cobra Counter Trend 3, 4, and 5. Our least favorite is probably DAX Cobra CT3. These bottom 3 come with the money management algorithms, and we apply the money management algorithms to all of these in this workspace right here. To get results, we've added to our portfolio calculator, and I'm going to show you those results. Here's our portfolio calculator. I've updated the website with this. You can see the 9 system portfolio with our 2 favorite additions this year of ES Swing and Soybeans Day Trade 3. And then you got your DAX systems taking out our least favorite DAX Cobra CT3 money management version over here. The base version over here, the money management version. Basically, when you apply the money management versions, your total drawdown is cut in half. And so you see the equity curve, you see the drawdown curve. This is for 6 DAX strategies with our current portfolio, and you see the nice results. The annual results are really consistent, right around $100,000 every year. The DAX really adds a lot of volatility, a lot of range. The opportunities are great in the DAX. The one caveat right now is daylight savings time. So if you're trading a DAX strategy, then the results are different right now because of the alignment. DAX Cobra, DAX Tick Count Trend. Some of these use the NYSE, advancers, decliners, or tick, and that's how some of these work. And so since we sprung forward, the DAX is not, and the DAX is closing an hour later than we're used to, and the alignment of the DAX is a little different. You'll have to change the time inputs, and some of these just aren't going to work during the daylight savings time period. It's about 3 weeks until Germany springs forward, and so there's probably a 3 week period where you don't want to trade these. And I haven't looked into how that will affect the total overall net results, as I've not eliminated the differences in the way we do our time, daylight savings time in the spring and in the fall. But that's the one difference that I have not figured out yet. I'm going to get with my programmer and figure that out. But you can see the results are good. In the portfolio calculator, we're going to take a look at the results alone. You see this drawdown numbers 10, 4, 46, 7 is really good. With the 9 system portfolio alone and these 2 systems, it's about 6,200. If we take out these strategies right here and look at just DAX strategies, it's about 14,890, and you can see the cyclical nature of the drawdown. Not bad. 6 DAX strategies, $14,000 drawdown. I take the results in TradeStation, and they're in dollars when they're exported, so I multiply them by the Euro USD close each day to get that the results are actually in euros, and so to get them as dollars, so we can compare this evenly, I multiply them by the euro versus the US dollar to get the dollar results on the export. And so this is one way to add the DAX to your portfolio, with the only scenario the daylight savings time shift throws things off. And so if you're currently trading a DAX strategy, you'll want to double check your results, especially if you use any US index to compare it to, like we do on some of these. If you just trade the DAX alone, it won't be as big of a deal. You might have to change some of your start times, stop times, and exit times by an hour. But for the next few weeks, it's going to be off a little bit. So let me show you the update for the portfolio as well. This is through through March the 7th. Getting rid of the DAX, just seeing this alone. Here's how the 9 system portfolio is looking. You see the DAX, it really improves the profits on this, but this is a great portfolio itself. Very low drawdown for 10 strategies. And so that's the update on the portfolios, the portfolio calculator, and how to add DAX and how to manage the daylight savings time with the DAX strategies.